You won't believe your eyes. In today's video, we're diving into some of the most ridiculous and downright confusing truck maneuvers ever caught on camera. From poorly timed turns and unbelievable drifts to hilariously failed reverse attempts, you'll be left wondering, how did these people even get a license? Get ready, because what you're about to see will leave you both laughing and furious. Ready for a jolt? Watch oversized loads turn overpasses into appetizers and crosswinds hit harder than a football tackle. These nail-biting moments prove that measuring height is more important than your mother's apple pie. Grab your popcorn. This compilation proves even big rigs and dozers can have a hold my beer moment. It's the best 10 minutes of 4,000 pounds of machinery trying to become an unplanned public fountain. Just watch these total idiots at work.
Vai na estreia, eu direto, e o treino direto, como ali. Ah, não mudei. Pegou. Rapaz, o cara lá dentro, hein?
Hold my beer. Watch as seemingly simple maneuvers go hilariously off the rails. From a 60-ton tank taking a wrong turn to a 5-star general's vehicle getting stuck in mud deeper than a Texas oil well. These military mishaps prove that even the biggest machines can't fix user error. Get ready for a good chuckle. Ready for an adventure, old-timer? Put down that remote and forget your golf cart for a minute. This video features some seriously heavy metal being moved at almost 7,000 feet. That's higher than most ski slopes. Watch as Fasula's Heavy Transports hauls a giant Cat 352F excavator and power screen crusher like they're just Tonka trucks.
It's gonna fall. Yep.
Statistics showed up to 9,050 injuries requiring days away from work. I know, 9,050 sounds like the amount I lost trying to understand Medicare Part D. Thankfully, over 70% of accidents are preventable. Don't be that tipping forklift. Keep your balance and remember, at our age, we need 70% coffee just to avoid tipping over ourselves.
Oh shit!
What do you want me to do with you? You have to turn the other way. Hey! There's no way that's staying up there.
Hold on to your Stetson. Ever think your old pickup was tough? Watch these 18-wheelers and farm tractors tackle terrain wilder than a Texas rodeo. See the wildest dump truck fails in driving skills that'll make your four-wheel drive seem like a tricycle. It's high-octane fun, but don't try this at home unless your yard is 40 acres of mud. Ever seen a semi-truck the size of a small house try to parallel park? These massive 80,000-pound haulers, driven by operators with extreme skill, deliver hilarious fails. Watch these big rigs and heavy machines prove that gravity is a strict teacher.
Давай, давай.
Is this the new Hollywood blockbuster? Watch these stellar drivers handle 80,000-pound big rigs and 15-foot sedans like absolute nincompoops. You'll laugh your socks off. These are Oscar-worthy fails. They need a new driver's license, or at least a new pair of specs. Check out these crazy overload trucks tackling a dangerous, steep road. These behemoths, loaded up like a Jenga tower, probably weigh a good 40,000 pounds, making your Ford F-150 look like a toy. It takes real Knights of the Road guts to drive this monster up at 100% grade, defying physics. You'll be saying 10-4, good buddy, at the sheer madness of it all.
자유. 이야기를 쓰느라 자신의 고집이었다. 그래서 자신의
You won't believe the gears of steel stupidity. Watch these crazy crane and excavator operators turn $500,000 worth of heavy equipment into a comedy show. It's the kind of risky business that'll make you shout, "Hold my beer and watch this." Better than the evening news and way funnier.
верхнюю лист не подойду. Ебать!
Four trucks stuck. This muddy road is a true Texas challenge. These drivers must be wishing they had a Ford F-150 with 300 horsepower right now. Watch this scary struggle. Hope they brought their hot coffee. Hold on to your hard hat. See mammoth excavators and bulldozers lift objects heavier than a Chevy Suburban or stack beams as tall as a 3-story house. These operators must have a PhD in heavy metal wizardry. It's the kind of heart-stopping action that'll make you forget where you put your keys.
A la madre.
Just past the University up 70, back up to speed for a minute or two, then slowing down between 60 and 301. No reported problems coming or going all the way across the skyway between Manatee and Pinellas. If you see a problem on any of our roads,
Limoeiro Novo, Caru 2025, sounds like a new cocktail. At 65, why not trade your usual for Brazil? Put on a costume and dance the Frevo. Don't worry, it's easier than that 10-pound dumbbell. Guaranteed your heart will be pounding. Like a blender, just bring that SPF 50 plus sunblock. See you at the ball. They don't make them like they used to? Fasula's Heavy Transports just moved a 275,000-pound Liebherr 984 excavator. That's heavier than a small herd of Texas Longhorns. Give that driver a cup of coffee and a hero's welcome. Now that's a load. Hold my beer. You think your driving is tough? Get ready for a dose of America's finest. Watch these big rigs and excavators turn an ordinary Tuesday into a chaotic mess. It's a good old-fashioned demolition derby on 18 wheels, proving that some folks just shouldn't be allowed within a mile of a commercial vehicle. You'll thank your lucky stars you're watching from the comfort of your couch. Think your retirement is wild? Wait till you see these pros handling a 2,000-pound pallet like it's a Frisbee. This compilation of forklift fails is crazier than a squirrel on a caffeine bender. Safety first? Not with these guys. You might even spot a moment that makes your old back feel 10 feet better. Grab a soda and enjoy the madness. Forklift fails. Warehouse wipeouts. Those drivers must have won their license in a Cracker Jack box. Watch these 20,000-pound behemoths turn into comedy gold as true idiots show why you should always take the long way around their aisle. Get ready for a belly laugh, but maybe finish your coffee first. Oh, a construction site landslide. Dirt is sliding faster than Florida home prices. Serious accident. Maybe this is the moment for engineers to remember. If the slope is steeper about 58%, back away. Hope no one's hurt too bad. Just shaken up like watching 24/7 news. Cat 789. B tow haul is an American behemoth, tipping the scales at over 715,000 pounds. That's probably the size of your little log cabin in Maine. It doesn't just haul, it hauls all of America. Picture this, your pickup truck is a mere toy next to it. Hold on to your hats. Watch as 60-ton tanks absolutely fail their driving tests. Get ready to laugh until your sides ache as these massive war machines slip and slide, flip over, and get stuck in mud puddles 5 feet deep. It's a hilarious lesson. Never let Sarge drive after he's had a supersized hot dog.
Hàng về anh em ơi, hàng về nhá. 3 em về một lúc nhá. 3 xe ben anh em nhá. Anh em mua gì thì liên hệ em nhá. Số điện thoại em để ở trên màn hình nhá.
Ah, the good old days. This muddy dirt road is testing your 4x4 truck, turning a 5-mile trip into a 50-mile adventure. Brace yourself for 6-inch deep mud bogs. Remember, getting a little mud on the tires is a rite of passage. But who says you can't have a strong American coffee and a big grin while you conquer it? Check out Fasula's heavy transports. Weighing in the Caterpillar 375. This massive excavator tips the scales at around 165,000 pounds, longer than a school bus. It's like they're hauling a colossal kitty cat, an incredible display of pure American hauling muscle. The arduous journey has ended, but the power of the giant machines still resonates. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next breathtaking action scenes. See you again in the upcoming eye-catching trips.